In a major development for naval defense, Thales has confirmed its role in equipping the Royal Netherlands Navy, RNLN, with a state-of-the-art sonar system as part of the Replacement Netherlands Submarine Capability, RNSC, program. This collaboration, involving the French defense company Naval Group, is a key step forward in the Dutch Navy's ongoing modernization efforts. The partnership not only enhances the Netherlands' submarine capabilities but also strengthens the defense ties between France and the Netherlands, contributing to Europe's overall security framework. The Orka-class submarines, soon to join the RNLN fleet, are set to replace the aging Walrus-class vessels. These new diesel-electric attack submarines, designed by Naval Group, will be equipped with a sophisticated sonar suite developed by Thales. This cutting-edge technology is a crucial upgrade to the RNLN's capabilities, providing superior underwater surveillance and enabling the submarines to detect and counter increasingly advanced and silent threats in the modern underwater battle space. Thales' sonar technology will enable the Orka-class submarines to perform with heightened efficiency across a range of operational environments. The system's capability to detect, locate and identify threats at varying distances using multiple frequencies is expected to dramatically improve operational effectiveness. Whether engaging with submarines or surface vessels, the enhanced sonar suite will provide a comprehensive view of the underwater environment, giving the Dutch Navy an edge in anti-submarine and anti-surface warfare. Thales, a leader in underwater systems, has a long history of providing sonar technology to the world's most advanced naval forces. The French Navy, for example, relies on Thales systems in its Barracuda-class submarines, and other global naval powers such as Brazil and Australia have also integrated Thales technology into their fleets to improve detection and operational performance in complex underwater environments. Through this partnership, Thales continues to demonstrate its expertise and commitment to supporting the operational superiority of the Royal Netherlands Navy. The collaboration with Naval Group and the RNLN marks a new phase in the relationship between France and the Netherlands, aligning with broader European defense strategies. By delivering innovative and reliable solutions, Thales reinforces its role as a key player in strengthening global defense capabilities, further solidifying its partnership with the Netherlands and its dedication to enhancing national and collective security. In summary, the collaboration between Thales and the Royal Netherlands Navy, particularly within the framework of the RNSC program, is a landmark moment for the modernization of Dutch naval forces. By integrating next-generation sonar technology into the Orka-class submarines, Thales is enhancing the Netherlands' naval defense capabilities while also fostering stronger defense relations within Europe. This agreement exemplifies how strategic partnerships and advanced technologies are shaping the future of naval warfare.